Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Diksha. First of all, thank you for giving us a precious time to interact. So, I have some questions for you. So, the first question is, what qualities do you believe define a future ready professional beyond academic excellence?
Future ready professionals definitely need to be having an adaptive mind. They have to be willing to actually challenge the status quo. Uh, Second is they have to have digital dexterity, which means not just understanding finance, but also having digital fluency to know how the financial products interact with customers, with investors, with shareholders, across through an online platform, as well as through robo-advisory and many other methods today that are disrupting the financial services sector. So the third and the most important area, which I think has been there for a very long time, and I don't think that will ever change, is integrity. Future-ready professionals, because of that so much of disruption around, it is easy to get digressed and it is easy to get distracted. In all of this, integrity remains core, and that should definitely continue. Thank you.
So, ma'am, the second question is, how is AI changing recruitment, talent management, and employee development?
Artificial intelligence and ML has been talked about in all forums, and it is part and parcel of all kinds of HR domain, HR work, HR functions and responsibilities. So from the question on recruitment, talent management and development, AI is all the transactional level work. In the first level of interviewing skills today have been outsourced to AI. Second is from the perspective of talent management. Performance management frameworks today have a large section where predictive performance analytics are playing a big role on what is the potential, what is the skill gaps, how is it going to, this skill gap is going to interact with the business performance. This is also being elevated through the use of AI and development. As an outcome of the performance management, development is also getting impacted because every aspect of the of learning today, learning is obviously being enabled through AI. So I think that itself is changing in in all these aspects of human resources. Human resources foundation today is built on AI. That's what I can say.
Ma'am, as our placements are near, so I would like to ask a question like, what common mistakes do we fresh graduates make during interviews and in their first year at work?
I don't think anybody makes any mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. But saying this, if I were to leave a tip for the interview process, I think preparation. I think these are the three things which is extremely important. So please prepare what you will say, what you know about the organization and the job. Be excited because that shows. Be prepared of the organization you're going for an interview for, and also what is being said in the media about the organization, what is the organization investing in as a future next 5 years growth plan. As a finance professional, these are very necessary requirements. And first year at work, I think one thing that I can say is assimilate. Be like a sponge, because the more you absorb, the more you take stretch assignments, the more you go beyond your core responsibilities. Only then will you be able to white base yourself and take up new areas which you've never done before, and that will obviously give you multiple career opportunities in the near future.
So, ma'am, the last question is, what advice would you give students who aspire to become future leaders rather than just good employees?
All employees are leaders and all leaders are employees. Let me put it this way. You can't take leadership away from an employee, just like you can't take employee away from a good leader. Even if it's the most difficult situation, actually handling those situations with courage, with confidence and with clarity of communication makes one a good leader. So I wish all the students of Imperial the very best. Thank you.